Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you raw footage of how I make my chicken samosa. I say raw footage because from when I started frying it, I didn't even edit a thing out of it. So everything you're seeing is the process, like the time it took me to get it all done. Okay, so after boiling the chicken, like I don't add water to my chicken, so I just season it and boil. So this is it after I've when it was ready. The yellow ones you see are like the one I had in my fridge before. I have some chicken breast in my fridge. Those ones I cook with turmeric, but today I didn't use turmeric. So these are the chicken breast I'm using, and these are the other parts that I'm preserving. So from here on, you are getting the raw footage. Okay, so what I did, I took the chicken breast to the food processor and I processed it to, as in I minced it. Okay, remember it's cooked, so that's why it's looking like this. So this is after the food processor. I didn't add any oil to the pan. I just pour the shredded or the the shredded or the minced chicken. I just turned it in the wok. Okay, so yeah, I'm adding my pepper sauce, which is the one I also use to sauce my chicken for my customer. So I'm adding just a bit. Okay, so you just want to add a bit to give it the taste. Okay, so because I'm adding all of this, the only thing I'm going to taste for later, it will be maybe salt. Okay, I'm not going to be adding a lot of ingredients. I'm not going to be adding seasoning powder. I'm not going to be adding ginger, garlic, whatever, because the chicken is already cooked with a lot of seasoning and the sauce carries all of the seasoning. Okay, so I don't need any other seasoning for this. So from here on, this is like I didn't edit a thing from this video. I'm going to put all of it there, so just watch and see. What I'm going to be showing you here is what's the texture or the consistency you want to come up with. Okay, so you can see I'm not the one stirring, I'm actually the one holding the camera. My student is stirring it, so I was actually teaching her in this video, and I'm using the same opportunity to teach you all, my subscribers. So what you want to do, you want to keep stirring. Remember, there was no oil at all in that pan, and when you saw me taking the sauce, adding the sauce, I didn't take any oily parts. I just took the tomato part. Okay, so guys, you want to keep stirring. If you don't stir, it will burn. You can see it was already burning, so you want to keep stirring. And what you want to achieve while doing this is you want the whole chicken to like be well minced. If you don't stir it, it's going to mold. Okay, it's going to come together, it's going to mold, and you're not going to get what you want. So you want to continue stirring. So the amount of time this take me to do, that's the amount of time you are getting in this video. So guys, just watch and enjoy. Okay,
oh gee, my bro, I'm sorry, it's not money, don't call me. It's been a long way coming. It no go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise, mommy. But man got no worries. Just like yesterday, mama tell me, say, make a wise up. Anytime I fall, I go rise up. She said, no big good look or stature. It's stuff I know. Anyhow it be, I got to face my fears. Can't run from it, no stopping me. I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them, don't know me from my area. Now I'll be here to the guys. Cause I came back on my son, conquer. My light is forever gonna shine. I'm so G to my bro, I'm sorry. It's not money, don't call me. It's been a long way coming. You know, go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise, mommy. But man got no worries. Just like yesterday, mama tell me, say, make a rise. Anytime I fall, I go rise up. She said, no bigger look, that ya. All this stuff I know. Anyhow it be, I can face my fears, can't run from it, no stopping me. I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine. Before them don't know me from my area. Now I'll be here to the guys. Cause I came back on my son, conquer. My light is forever gonna shine. I'm so G to my bro, I'm sorry. It's not money, don't call me. It's been a long way coming. You know, go make sense if you don't know the journey. I do, I promise, mommy. But man got no worries. Just like yesterday, mama tell me, say, make alright. Anytime I fall, I go rise up. She said, no bigger look, that ya. All this stuff I know. Anyhow it be, I can face my fears, can't run from it, no stopping me.
So please, if by now you haven't subscribed, you haven't leave me a comment or even a thumbs up, please go ahead and do just that. I know you guys tend to forget, so that's why I'm reminding you. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. So guys, I didn't go anywhere, I'm here, okay? So what I did, I tasted for salt, and you can see I added a very little bit of salt because this thing tastes good already. Like the sauce, the chicken tastes perfect on its own. So I just went ahead and add this smoky chicken flavor from my Vico, and this is just for little extra flavor you get, okay? So just give that a stir, and that's like the only two spices I added. Okay, so continue stirring. You want this to be very dry. Okay, samosa doesn't need any liquid, unlike spring roll that the cabbage can develop its own liquid. This one, samosa, doesn't need any liquid. Samosa is a dry snack. Okay, it's a dry snack. There is not like meat pie that has a kind of moist filling. Samosa is a dry snack. So now that you are getting your dry stuff going on, you just want to start adding your veggies. So I added this green peas and sweet corn. Yeah, these are my two favorite veggies. These are the only veggies I like, the two favorite veggies I add. So the next one would be the carrots. Yeah, shredded carrots. That's for color. You can see this color is not complete, as in any opportunity for me to add carrots to my fillings, I always do. Okay, carrot gives it a very beautiful look. Okay, so I know some people who want to like go ahead and start adding bell pepper, like chopped bell pepper and all that. Please, there's no need for all of those drama. Okay, it's samosa. Bell pepper can even make it too soft. You don't want it soft, you want it dry. Okay, you don't want anything that would cause it to be moist. You want it dry. As you can see, this is like a very complete process. Everything you watch is the time it took me to fry. Not me, oh sorry, not me, because this thing is kind of a big work. Okay, so this is my student. She did a good job. So everything you see here is the amount of time it took. So you can just look at the time from when we started stirring till this time and know how long it took. Okay, so guys, yeah, this is it. And I've mentioned several times, the last thing to add, like a minute before you take this thing down from the stove, you add the onion. That's your finely chopped onion, chopped in little bits. Okay, see, Bolu chopped this one. I don't even know what she did. I don't know if she was going to make asun or something, but she didn't chop it the way I would have. So if you are making yours, try and chop it very, very tiny. Even later I started picking out onion from this filling because I saw some chunk of onion that I wasn't happy about. So I went ahead and started cutting again. So just go ahead and chop your onions finely, okay? So onion is actually the last thing. So after adding your onion, you just want to stir, and guys, we are done. So the next thing to do is just to spread this on a tray, allow it to cool completely before you package and refrigerate. Thank you so much for always. I love you guys so much. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die.